Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Yes, you can use a tablet as a phone replacement. Many tablets offer voice calling capabilities over Wi-Fi or cellular data. To do this, install a VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol, app, like Skype, WhatsApp, or Viber, on your tablet. These apps allow you to make and receive calls and texts with a Wi-Fi connection, effectively allowing your tablet to function as a phone. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for the best experience. This solution is particularly viable if you're looking to streamline devices or prefer a larger screen for multimedia and communication.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.